Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you play Zach Bryan's music. Start by mastering fundamental open chords such as G, C, D, and E minor. These are the building blocks for many of his heartfelt songs. Pay close attention to his unique strumming patterns, which often involve a simple, rhythmic down-up motion. Emphasize the raw, honest emotion in your vocal delivery to truly capture his style. Next, delve into his signature fingerpicking. Many of Zach Bryan's intros and verses feature intricate yet accessible patterns that add depth. Don't forget the capo. It's essential for playing along with many of his tracks in the correct key. Developing a solid sense of rhythm and timing will ensure your performance feels authentic and powerful, just like his recordings. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Zach Bryan's songs often follow a clear verse-chorus structure, making them approachable. However, the true magic lies in the raw emotion and storytelling embedded in his lyrics. Focus on conveying that genuine feeling. Listen intently to his original recordings to pick up on subtle vocal inflections and guitar dynamics. This attention to detail will elevate your playing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.